Hello everyone. So, we are on the BTC USDC chart. What is there to notice? The usual Fibonacci levels. We bounced a little under the 0.618. For anyone who is new, these Fibonacci levels start from this top here, impulsive 3 weekly candles in a row, from the start basically of this move here, from top to bottom. And I get these Fibonacci levels that have worked, I repeat it 1,000 times, extremely well. Look at the top. Perfect on the 1.618 at $124,750. 2 attempts to break it, candle bodies closing below this level that was resistance, and down, guys. Regarding yesterday's news, my God, it almost seems like I wrote it. I got comments, weird things, guys. I'm just reporting what happened, and it happened on October 10, which is exactly, I'll show you, October 10 is here, on this candle here. The news came out, and from here we went down 30%, if not even 35%. I still have to check. The news created, very likely, just look at this candle and everything else, very likely it created this move, which after that news might still bring us down. And if there is a liquidity issue, and if that news gets canceled, making everything pump above, we will see in the next days, next weeks. Not much is missing. Let's stay with the facts anyway. Technical analysis. Let's see how we are doing. We were saying Fibonacci. We bounced here, but we cut a bit under. Pretty well, let's say it like that. We are going up. Now we are finding resistance exactly on this light blue trend line. You see it? This one coming up, coming from back here, from this point here. It has these lows here, and I extended it. It is working a bit as resistance, but higher up we have 88,600. We have the other Fibonacci level, which is this one, so we could also see a retest of this level. Now I'll tell you what, in my opinion, might happen. I repeat, if your hands are shaking, if you don't know what to do, don't do anything simply, guys. Let's move to this chart here. So in this chart, first I wanted to show you something. Look at this bounce here. On what volume it is coming up? Practically zero. Keep this thing in mind. Volume 0, below 0, extremely low for now. And why this bounce? Because the Standard & Poor's and, the Federal Reserve came out with more dovish tones, so Standard & Poor's bounces. All right, I'll show you. Give me 1 second. Dovish tones. Here it is, and we got the little bounce. But we still closed under this channel I talked to you about and talked about forever. Let's see a moment. But Bitcoin's bounce, aside from the fact that it's Sunday, is due to that thing. So what I think might happen, always to be taken carefully, not financial advice, we could also, with a bit of luck and strength, go up to visit $88,000, $89,000. Then it depends how Standard & Poor's opens, and from there we will see if they open positive, negative, and they will drag a bit also what Bitcoin is doing, which has no personal strength. We could see then the bounce started from here where I told you. From here it goes up and it goes to test $92,000, $93,000. Then last stop $98,000, even though I think more like $96,000, and then it goes down again. Then, oh, who knows? I'm giving you points where, if you arrive here, you check how the price behaves. Honestly, right now I would open a short rather than a long. Not financial advice, okay? But if we get here, and it depends why we get here, if it's a technical bounce without anything particular underneath, this is a place to short. The thing I find more probable though, guys, is another one. Now I'll show it to you. We could play now between 88,000, go back down, break these lows here, and go bounce around $76.50, $77,000, still creating a higher low, and then making the big bounce. So the area from $75,000 to $77,000, in my opinion, could be valid. Let's also see why. So we are on weekly. Look at these two tops. I took the wicks, this top here, and this top here. I extended a trend line. Look where it is. It is exactly, if we get here next week, at $77,192. So we have confluences on this level here. Watch out, because there, yes, if something comes out, if we see some strength, you could try a long. I mean it as a bounce though. I still don't see a reason to think about a Bitcoin recovery. Then we will see. It's useless. I mean, if we say, come on, everything goes up, breaks everything, based on what? No, because on sentiment, what is there? Okay, yes, if you entered at 4,000, you don't care and you stay inside. If you entered like me at 39,000, guys, I took profit up here and I sold again at 92,000. Then we go back inside this trend line, the purple one, that divides bull market and bear market, and we stay above a bit, we play above it, and we go above this downtrend here, then we talk. There could still be open plays. For now, for me, it's bear market until proven otherwise. Then we have this downtrend here below that could bring us down. Bitcoin could go down to visit 65,000, 66,000, and this is a very interesting area, guys. Very, very interesting to start even doing DCA or opening longs, in my opinion. I repeat, not financial advice. Because it's a nice support, started from back here, extended here before this dump here. Support here on this accumulation and forward like that. In confluence between the 0.382, very strong, and the 0.236, which is even stronger. If it goes down, it's fucked. That's it. It goes to 40,000 basically. Very likely. Anyway, yeah, you understood. For today, that's all. Thank you for the nice comments, the bad ones a bit less, and we'll see each other next time. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.